Back live to our Big Bear Eagle Cam. Jackie and Shadow's eaglet now has a name. Friends of Big Bear Valley collected nearly 10,000 name submissions, and then through a random drawing picked 35 of those names. Then students from 2 Big Bear elementary schools voted on the names, and the name that the students chose is Spirit. Spirit is 5 weeks old. At 10 to 14 weeks, the eaglet should leave the nest. At that point, Jackie and Shadow will still monitor their young and help them learn how to hunt. How exciting. What a great lesson for those students.
Yes.
Wow.
What a great source of pride to say, hey, we named the baby eagle.
Yeah.
Spirit. What a